Good morning to all traders and welcome to this Thursday's Market Insights videos on FX Miners. Today it is the 9th of July. We're going to talk about Euro Pound and also the dollar against the Hong Kong dollar. We've seen the pound strengthening against the euro, okay? Yesterday that was supported because of Chancellor Rishi Sunak, UK's Chancellor, delivering the stimulus program, the stimulus package for the UK, although it wasn't as optimistic or as good, let's just say, as markets expected. It still supported the pound. Whether it's going to be the case going forward, I mean, supporting the pound more, obviously it will probably have an influence regardless, but it's not going to be the main driver, of course, because we do see more downside on the euro pound. But as I said before, I don't think it's going to be really based on that driver. Now, against the China, the US is thinking of ways to penalize them, right, for for interfering with in Hong Kong. Yesterday, China also putting some restrictions on, visa restrictions on Chinese people, officials to Tibet. Well, what we had last was, breaking the peg between the US dollar and the Hong Kong dollar. But I really don't think this is going to be the case, to be honest. But regardless, okay, I really want to have a quick look on the pair so that we can see what we can expect, at least in the short and medium term. Started with euro against the pound. We talked about the possibility of this top being the top for this current market. And then we're actually around here. I recall last week we said that if we break below the trend line, look for opportunities to sell. So we've had a move to the downside with a false break, a retest, and prices now are near the 38-point Fibonacci retracement of wave B, right? Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we can take out the wave, the 50 Fibonacci, and then move up all the way back to the trend line again, perhaps to the 38 or 23 or anywhere between, and then move lower to wave to take out wave C. Okay, so I'm looking at this as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, ABC. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, ABC. So we're looking at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the minor degree. I'm looking for wave 5 to end around 0.8540 or so, which is the Fibonacci. 78.6 Fibonacci of wave 1. Don't forget that this could be an ABC as well. Now, regarding this move to the downside, okay, it's either that we ended wave 5 down at 89.62 or we're going to end it down the 89.24, which is a 50 Fibonacci. Okay, I do think once we take this, we'll have a better pullback and then further continuation to the downside. Now, dollar against Hong Kong. Well, it's very hard to see anything here, right? Because, I mean, we do know that is, just ranging and very small range, sideways markets usually. But if we go on the 8-hour chart, right, we can see that this is a very nice leading diagonal, right? And wave 5 has not ended yet. I'm looking at another leading diagonal over here for wave 1, okay, because this trend line comes down here exactly. An expanded flat for wave 2. Wave 3 looks like it's ended, okay, or is going to end lower. But if we take it as wave 3, then we'll have wave 4 over here, yeah. And then it looks like we are going to move down for one more time, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To take out this wave 5. And then perhaps we're going to see a very, very, very big move to the upside. Now, this move to the upside, we could just simply use our Fibonacci tool over here between 2 and the last low, okay, and say, well, 7.757 is one target. But if we look at it in the bigger perspective, right, like let's take the full move. We're looking at 7.79, perhaps even 7.8. Okay, so this will be the scenario into play here, right? 1, we see wave 5 and up, or we see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so it means that this is 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna see 5 in the minor degree, and then 4 in the immediate, and then 5. Okay, so thank you for watching.